What a lovely morning, guys. What's up, guys? What's up? What a lovely morning, guys. I can't believe I'm starting this video on the roof. I'm actually on the roof. Take a look at all that. We have a beautiful neighborhood all over here. It's a beautiful neighborhood. Yeah. Anyway, guys, today this video guys, I'm going to clean some silver jewelry. We're going to be cleaning some silver today. Yeah, let me show you guys. So I don't know if they may fall down. I just put them in my pockets, guys. Look at that. I have some silver jewelry right here, guys. Actually, if you want this, we're selling them. They're not mine, but the owner is selling. So if you're interested in it, if you're interested in this, just hit me up, tell us down in the comment section, or just send me an email, guys. Then we'll talk. Yeah, today we're just going to clean this silver jewelry, guys. Look, so if you look closely, because you know I'm shooting this video in super view, I don't know if you can actually see the hallmarks, but this is actually real silver. Now today we're just going to clean this silver. We're just going to remove the tarnish. It's not that tarnished, honestly. It's not that bad, but there's just some small tarnish. If you look closely, you'll actually see there's some tarnish. There's some tarnish, some black stuff forming. You know, this is like this one right here. Let me show you properly, guys. This is a rope style bracelet. So this is actually 15 grams right here. It's a rope style. So now the problem is, okay, this style is hard to clean, but we're just going to use like a toothbrush. We'll just be working with, we're going to work with hot water. We're going to be using some baking soda and some aluminum foil. Then we're actually going to be placing this jewelry in some sort of a bowl. We're going to place this jewelry in some sort of a container. Then we'll be working with hot water, baking soda, yeah, also aluminum foil. We'll be working with very, very hot water. I'll show you guys. We're going to try to clean this jewelry right here. Yeah, look at that. Today we're just going to clean this. Look at that. I'm shooting this video in super view, so I know it may be hard for you guys to see the hallmarks. It's a 925. This is all 925, guys. So actually this is this small one is a Cuban link. Yeah, the owner is selling them, guys. We're selling this. So if you're interested, we don't need them, so we just need to sell this to some of you guys, to one of you, if you're interested. If you like silver, it's a good metal, guys. It's a good metal. You know, it's not that expensive. Silver is not as expensive like gold, but it's still a precious metal, you know. Yeah, it's good to have it. So just send me an email, guys, if you want it. Yeah, then I'll tell you guys everything. Today we're just going to try to remove, I don't know if you guys can see very well. Today we're just going to try to remove, let me show you. Let me try to first put them here like this. Yeah, if you look closely, this is super view. I don't know if you guys can see very well. So, look, you know, there's some sort of black, especially inside there. This is a rope style, so inside there's some black forming. So this is what you're going to try to remove today. This is what you're going to try to remove today in this video. We're going to try to remove all this black stuff that's forming in this bracelet. Yeah, this is 15 grams. It's just at 925. And this small one, let me show you guys. Now this small one this is Italy 925. So this one I'm not so sure about the grams, but this is 15 grams. This one is 15 grams. The small, I don't know the grams of the small one. Yeah, they're not mine, guys. Yeah, but you may see me wearing them sometimes, but they're not mine. They're actually on sale, so if you want them, definitely hit me up if you want them. Yeah, so yeah, that's what we're going to do, guys, in this video today. we're going to try to clean this silver jewelry. Anyway guys, let me just show you just a little bit where we are right now. Yeah, we're right now in a very beautiful neighborhood. It's a very beautiful neighborhood, and it's a beautiful day. Take a look at that background, the blue skies. It's really a nice day guys. It's a nice day. Yeah, it's a beautiful Thursday. Tomorrow is a Friday. Yeah, let me show you guys a little bit before we start to clean this jewelry. I'll just show you just a little bit because I'm on the roof. Like now, why not? I figured like why not show you some views, some beautiful views. Since we're already on the roof, I could show you some beautiful views. And the sun is out. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, it's a very favorable day. So okay, let me show you. Yeah, I'm just standing up, and I have to be very careful. You know, this is a roof. If you make a mistake, you may end up I don't want to talk about it. Okay, look at that. So the sun is rising. This is all a beautiful neighborhood guys, as you can see. It's a beautiful neighborhood. Okay, yeah, look at that. Let me show you this side, because you know the sun is giving all this shine to this side. Okay, look, this view is better, don't you see? Yeah, look at that. These are all do you see the beautiful homes guys? Yeah, you can call it a good neighborhood. Yeah, there's some rich people actually stay that side, the beautiful side. Let me try to stand. Maybe you guys can see the lake. We have a view of the lake right here. Look at that. Can you guys see? There's a view of the lake right there. That's the Lake Victoria guys. We have Lake Victoria in many of our videos. It's a very big lake. It's the biggest in the region. Yeah, beautiful homes, beautiful people staying there. Good people, I think. Yeah, you know, these are rich. You can tell by these homes. It's a nice neighborhood. Yeah. Okay guys, let's go back to the topic today. Today we're just not going to look at that. We're just here to clean the jewelry, okay? So let's do this. It's your boy Akramart. Guys, don't forget to leave a like. Always leave your thoughts down the comment section about the video down the comment section guys. Yeah, okay, let's go clean this jewelry guys. Okay guys, that's it. How does it look like? Look at that. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Today we've just been cleaning the silver. I think you guys can see now. It looks really better. Can you see? It looks really better. You can see it's all white now. Yeah, thank you so much guys. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'll also leave the email down in case you need one of these. Maybe if you need both of them, you can just contact us. You can contact me so we can talk. Yeah, okay guys, if you're interested, I'll leave the email down. Thank you so much for watching.